Have you ever found yourself at the end of the day wondering where all the hours went? It's a feeling we all know too well. You had a list of things you wanted to accomplish, goals you wanted to work on, but somehow the day just slipped through your fingers. It's so easy to get lost in the comfort of our routines, isn't it? Scrolling through social media, binge watching another series, or just putting things off until tomorrow. We tell ourselves we'll start that project, learn that new skill, or make that important phone call when the time is right. But here's a hard truth. The right time is a myth. It's a comfortable illusion we create to justify our inaction. The reality is that life isn't shaped by those big, distant plans we make for the future. It's forged in the small, seemingly insignificant choices we make every single day. Think about it. Your health isn't determined by a one-time decision to eat a salad. It's the result of your daily eating habits over months and years. Your career success isn't built on a single brilliant idea. It's the product of consistent effort, learning, and showing up every day, even when you don't feel like it. The same goes for our relationships, our skills, and our personal growth. Life is a collection of moments, a mosaic of daily habits. So often we fall into the trap of waiting. We wait for inspiration to strike. We wait for the perfect opportunity to fall into our laps. We wait until we feel motivated, or until we have more time, or until we feel ready. But waiting is a passive act. It's handing over control of your life to external circumstances. And while you're waiting, time is relentlessly marching forward. It doesn't pause for you to get your act together. The days turn into weeks, the weeks into months, and before you know it, years have passed. And all that time, all that potential is gone forever. The regret that follows is a heavy burden to carry. It's the sting of knowing you could have done more, been more, if only you had started sooner. Let's talk about comfort. Our brains are wired to seek comfort and avoid discomfort. It's a survival mechanism. But in our modern world, this instinct can become a cage. The comfort of the familiar, the safety of the predictable, keeps us from stepping into the unknown where real growth happens. Every time you choose to stay on the couch instead of going for a run, you're choosing comfort over progress. Every time you mindlessly scroll instead of reading a book that could expand your mind, you're choosing distraction over development. These choices seem small in the moment, but they compound. They are the building blocks of who you become. And distractions are everywhere, aren't they? They're more sophisticated and more addictive than ever before. Our phones buzz, notifications pop up, and an endless stream of content is just a click away, all designed to capture and hold our attention. It's a constant battle for our focus. Losing this battle doesn't just mean you wasted a few minutes. It means you've given away a piece of your most valuable, non-renewable resource, your time. Each moment spent on meaningless distraction is a moment you can't invest in your goals, your relationships, or your well-being. It's a silent theft of your future. So, how do we break this cycle? It starts with taking radical personal responsibility. Your life is your own. No one is coming to save you or do the work for you. The power to change your trajectory lies entirely within you. It's not about making a grand, sweeping overhaul of your life overnight. That's overwhelming and often leads to failure. Instead, it's about making a conscious decision right now to own your time. It begins with self-awareness. Start paying attention to where your hours truly go. For a few days, track your time. Be honest with yourself. How much time are you really spending on productive tasks versus passive consumption? The results might shock you. Once you have that clarity, you can start making small, intentional changes. The key is to build momentum. Instead of saying, I'm going to write a book, start with, I'm going to write for 15 minutes every day. Instead of, I'm going to get fit, start with, I'm going to take a 10-minute walk during my lunch break. These small actions are manageable. They're wins you can stack up, and each win builds confidence and makes the next step easier. This is the power of self-discipline. It's not about punishment or restriction. It's about choosing what you want most over what you want now. It's about being a friend to your future self. Think of your day as a block of time that you get to invest. Every choice is an investment. Are you investing in assets that will grow over time, like learning, health, and building relationships? Or are you spending it on liabilities that offer fleeting pleasure but leave you with nothing to show for it? Every small choice matters. Reading one page of a book is better than reading none. Doing 5 push-ups is better than doing 0. Having a 5-minute meaningful conversation with a loved one is better than just scrolling past their photo online. These aren't just actions. They are declarations of your priorities. They are signals you send to yourself about what truly matters. The secret to a meaningful and successful life isn't hidden in some complex formula. It's simple. Act with purpose. Don't wait for motivation. Create it through action. The very act of starting, no matter how small, generates its own momentum. The right time you've been waiting for is not in some distant future. It's right here, right now, in this very moment. This moment is your point of power. You can choose to continue the pattern of delay and distraction, or you can choose to take one small step in the direction of the life you truly want to build. What is one thing you've been putting off? Maybe it's starting a new hobby, reaching out to an old friend, or organizing that cluttered space in your home. Whatever it is, I challenge you to take the smallest possible action towards it today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Spend just 5 minutes on it. See how it feels. That small act of taking control is incredibly empowering. It's a reminder that you are the architect of your life. The choices you make, the habits you build, the way you use your time, that is your legacy in the making. Life is finite. Every day that passes is a day we can never get back. Let's stop wasting it. Let's stop waiting for a perfect moment that will never arrive. Let's embrace the power of now. Let's choose purpose over passivity, action over apathy, and growth over comfort. Your future self will thank you for it. Start today, start small, but most importantly, just start. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. If this message resonated with you, please give this video a like and consider subscribing for more content on living a more intentional life. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What's the one small step you're going to take today? Let's support each other. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.